A Tipramotha delegation led by Khwai Zonal Chairman Bishuddha Barma visited the residence of a financially underprivileged student Kriti Dabarma at Teaching Graph VC under 26 Ashrambari constituency. The party members provided monetary assistance to support her higher education. During the visit, present were Tipramotha Khwai Zonal Chairman Bishuddha Barma, along with Khwai Political District Working President Rithit Debarma, Block Vice President Subal Singh Debarma, Regional President Pritish Debarma, Uttam Debarma, YTF, TISF members.
Chini Sabisha Samari Vidan Saban Bising Klaijak, Chini Sumonto BC, Oda Kota, Teaching Ram BC, Sumonto Para, and Gay Oda Kota, Chini Bukoka, Chini Sabana Debarma, Bini Nogotung Kisha. Haino bini bisinti jung khaiman ka chini bini sajok kharokta khub kaham talent intelligent chini dopani kaisa sengkrak in future bono jung balaikai khanawai balaikai khatungka aboni bisinti jung tini bongno kongo phaika bini sajok kaisa engineering course khai tongo gai balai go talented gabai borokno chini dopani chini thinangni future ni borok chini kaisa imang borok hai borokno mai nangman jora pano chung kisita joto pal baksa ke jara phaicho bana bangi pheleka chung me maja pega chini tako gokra chini wam tenino te chini district ni working president chini tako ra dati chung me tongo block ni vice president chini tako ra da subol ching chini joto bisini daniel song TSF ni te mai kai chini deputies abai ke chung pal ke pheleka chini sapung yang rasto ram che yeno chung kaise school ni campus balai bolong tongona ba khokmani yagulo chung khnai manka ga hor har pano chini khorcha bukhumno chini hanong no kaisa chobai thalai ni nei chung joto no kisita chini chokmani borno dikya phiaba chini rangpisa kotor ko gya bini lekha pora khaitani chung buskani salo ba chini hamari chini palni kaisa hamari bini bangai tongnai te thinango chini dokani bangai samung khainani ba chini dofarang ni bangai kaisa bobo ojamangui phaitun buskani salo ani bangai chung tini binne khongo just kaisa visit khaiti bono kisita chini hamjamung yaphanain phelika
Reported by Biplav from Khwai, Chini Khora.